Welcome to the future of pool cleaning with the Beatbot AquaSense, the world's best intelligent cordless pool cleaning robot. In this video, we'll compare the AquaSense with the Dolphin E70 premier robotic pool cleaner, highlighting why AquaSense stands out as the superior choice. This video is proudly sponsored by Beatbot. The Beatbot AquaSense is equipped with a state-of-the-art path optimization system powered by 15 ambient sensors and a 450 times smarter quad-core 1.8 GHz processor. This advanced system allows the AquaSense to meticulously plan its cleaning route, ensuring comprehensive coverage of the entire pool. Whether it's navigating around obstacles or efficiently cleaning every corner, the AquaSense adapts to the pool's layout dynamically, offering a level of cleaning precision that's unparalleled. The onboard sensors continuously gather data about the pool's environment, including water temperature, chemical levels, and debris concentration, which are analyzed in real time by the powerful processor to adjust the cleaning strategy on the fly. With its industry-leading S and N-shaped path cleaning capability, the AquaSense ensures every inch of your pool is thoroughly cleaned. The S pattern is particularly effective for the floor, ensuring systematic and even cleaning, while the N pattern is perfect for tackling the walls and waterline. This dual-path capability not only enhances cleaning efficiency, but also ensures no spot is missed, providing a spotless pool every time. The S pattern maximizes the robot's reach, allowing it to sweep across wide areas with each pass, reducing cleaning time and energy consumption. Meanwhile, the N pattern is designed to address vertical surfaces such as pool walls and steps with pinpoint accuracy, dislodging even the most stubborn grime. At the heart of the AquaSense is an advanced brushless pump, which delivers superior cleaning performance and significantly enhances the longevity of the robot. The brushless design reduces wear and tear, ensuring the AquaSense remains operational for years to come. This pump is powerful enough to remove even the most stubborn debris, ensuring your pool remains clean and inviting. The high-efficiency pump not only provides robust suction power to capture large debris like leaves and twigs, but also features fine filtration capabilities to trap particles such as pollen and dust, leaving the water crystal clear. Maintenance of the AquaSense is made effortless with support for over-the-air software updates and a convenient app control feature. The OTA updates ensure that your AquaSense is always running the latest software, optimizing performance and adding new features as they become available. The app control allows you to manage the robot from your smartphone, providing an easy and intuitive way to schedule cleanings, check status, and monitor progress. With the app, you can set customized cleaning schedules tailored to your specific needs, receive notifications about maintenance issues, and even remotely control the robot for spot cleaning. One of the standout features of the AquaSense is its cordless charging dock, which eliminates the need for plug-in operations. Simply place the robot on the dock, and it will automatically begin charging. This innovative design not only makes charging effortless but also keeps the area around your pool clutter-free, enhancing safety and convenience. The charging dock is equipped with smart battery management technology that optimizes charging cycles, prolonging the battery life and ensuring the AquaSense is always ready for its next cleaning session. Additionally, the dock's sleek, weather-resistant design blends seamlessly with any poolside decor, maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space. The AquaSense comes with exclusive smart features such as smart return and waterline parking. The smart return feature ensures that the robot returns to its dock once the cleaning is complete or when the battery is low. The waterline parking feature allows the AquaSense to park at the waterline for easy retrieval, making it simple to remove the robot from the pool without getting wet. This feature is particularly useful for minimizing water spillage and maintaining a clean poolside area. Furthermore, the AquaSense's advanced algorithms ensure that the robot avoids obstacles and follows the most efficient route back to the dock, saving energy and reducing wear and tear on the unit. The AquaSense follows a meticulous cleaning process to ensure every part of your pool is thoroughly clean. The AquaSense begins by mapping the pool using its advanced sensors. This mapping process allows the robot to understand the pool's layout, identify obstacles, and plan the most efficient cleaning route. The robot creates a detailed 3D map of the pool, including depths, contours, and any unique features, ensuring comprehensive coverage and avoiding any potential damage to delicate surfaces. Next, the AquaSense tackles the walls using the end pattern cleaning path. This pattern is particularly effective for cleaning vertical surfaces, ensuring that the walls are free of grime. The robot's specialized brushes are designed to cling to the walls, scrubbing away buildup without damaging tiles or liner materials. The end pattern approach allows the AquaSense to navigate tight corners and curved surfaces effortlessly, providing a thorough and consistent clean. Once the cleaning is complete, the AquaSense uses its smart return feature to navigate back to the charging dock. If the battery is low during the cleaning process, the robot will automatically return to the dock to recharge before resuming. The smart return feature ensures that the AquaSense always completes its cleaning cycle, providing peace of mind and ensuring your pool is always ready for use. The AquaSense is designed to address several key pain points that users commonly experience with traditional pool cleaners. Traditional pool cleaners often struggle with performance and efficiency. While the AquaSense is a remarkable piece of technology, let's take a closer look at how it stacks up against another popular model, the Dolphin Premier Robotic Pool Cleaner. The Dolphin Premier is known for its solid cleaning performance and robust build. However, when compared to the AquaSense, several differences become apparent. The Premier uses a traditional corded design, which can be cumbersome and restricts movement. This not only adds to the hassle of managing the cord, but also increases the risk of tangling, a problem completely eliminated by the AquaSense's cordless design. Smart features include smart return and waterline parking for easy retrieval for the AquaSense, but the Dolphin E70 lacks these advanced features, requiring manual intervention. Smart features include smart return and waterline parking for easy retrieval for the AquaSense, but the Dolphin E70 lacks these advanced features, requiring manual intervention. While both are formidable contenders, the AquaSense edges ahead in several key areas: path optimization and navigation. The AquaSense utilizes 15 ambient sensors and a 450x smarter quad-core 1.8 GHz processor for dynamic path optimization, while the Dolphin E70 lacks the advanced sensor array and processing power, leading to less efficient navigation. The Dolphin E70, while a good cleaner, cannot compete with the AquaSense's cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features. Assembling the Dolphin E70 can be a tough and time-consuming process, adding unnecessary stress to your spring cleaning routine. Moreover, the E70's power cord management can be a hassle, and its less sophisticated cleaning pattern further complicates the cleaning process. The Dolphin Premier follows a less sophisticated cleaning pattern, which may result in areas being missed during the cleaning process. In contrast, the AquaSense's advanced S and N pattern ensures comprehensive coverage of the pool floor, walls, and waterline, leaving no spot untouched. The AquaSense, with its advanced sensors and powerful processor, ensures optimal performance and thorough cleaning, saving time and effort. The robot's intelligent cleaning algorithms allow it to adapt to different pool shapes and sizes, ensuring consistent and reliable cleaning results every time. The AquaSense is capable of handling various pool surfaces, including vinyl, fiberglass, and concrete, making it a versatile solution for any pool owner. Navigating around obstacles can be challenging for many pool cleaners. The AquaSense's advanced path optimization system allows it to handle obstacles with ease, ensuring continuous and efficient cleaning. The robot's sensors can detect and navigate around pool ladders, steps, and other obstacles, preventing entanglement and ensuring a smooth cleaning process. The AquaSense's obstacle handling capabilities also help to protect the robot from damage, prolonging its lifespan and maintaining its performance. Cord tangling is a major issue with traditional pool cleaners. The AquaSense's cordless design eliminates this problem, providing hassle-free operation and greater freedom of movement. The robot's cordless operation also allows it to cover the entire pool without being restricted by the length of a power cord, ensuring comprehensive cleaning and reducing the risk of accidents or damage caused by tangled cords. The AquaSense's cordless design also makes it easier to store and transport, adding to its convenience and user-friendliness. Do you agree with our picks? Comment below on which gadget was your favorite. You'll find links in the description to these gadgets if they sparked your creativity and interest. Be sure to check out our other clips from future lists, and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. See you in the next one.